Blockchains are excellent at recording ownership and transactions, but they were never built to store large amounts of data. That limitation created a major gap in Web3. If apps, assets, and records still rely on centralized servers, decentralization breaks the moment those servers fail. The core problem. Today, many Web3 platforms still depend on cloud providers, CDNs, and centralized databases. When those systems go down, users lose access, even if their assets still exist on-chain. So the real challenge isn't just decentralizing value, it's decentralizing data. What IPFS is, IPFS, or the Interplanetary File System, is a peer-to-peer protocol for storing and accessing data. Unlike traditional systems that use location-based URLs, IPFS uses content addressing. Files are identified by a cryptographic hash called a content ID, or CID. That CID is derived from the file itself. If the content changes, the CID changes. This makes data verifiable and tamper-evident by design. How IPFS works. When data is added to IPFS, it's split into pieces and distributed across a global network of nodes. When someone requests that data, the network retrieves the pieces from available peers and reassembles them. There's no central server, no single point of failure. The more a file is accessed, the more resilient and available it becomes. Why IPFS matters for Web3. This is why IPFS is foundational to Web3. It enables censorship resistance, verifiable data, integrity, resilience against outages, and scalable global access. That's why IPFS is widely used across DeFi, NFTs, DAOs, and decentralized applications. How XRPOcean uses. IPFS XRPOcean integrates IPFS at the architecture level. Critical asset data and protocol references are stored and accessed via immutable CIDs. This means user assets remain accessible even if a front-end dashboard or third-party service goes offline. Ownership and integrity are preserved at the protocol layer, not the interface. Implementation. Philosophy. TransOcean Lab treats IPFS as infrastructure, not a feature. It's researched, tested under failure scenarios, and implemented so user access never depends on a single system or organization. That's what resilient Web3 infrastructure looks like. Decentralized data, verifiable integrity, and control that stays with the user.